Okay guys, welcome back to BJRS Official. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to earn on Nextel SMS and call. So this is what we are going to be looking at in today's video, exactly how to earn on Nextel sponsored message and calls. So as you all know, for those people that go for the diamond plan, they cannot earn through calls, so they can only earn from reading text message. Understand? They can only earn from reading sponsored message like this. So I am going to be starting with this sponsored message before we now check on how to earn on sponsored calls. But first off, disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. Any shows on these videos varies based on individual effort. So before you opt in, make sure to do your personal research before you opt in. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So let me go to my dashboard. If you are on your dashboard like this, in order for you to read SMS or to read text message to end, just go right here, just tap on it. So after clicking on it, head over and click on Nextel Cloud. Just tap on Nextel Cloud. After clicking on the Nextel Cloud, you have to scroll down. After coming down, click on Open Nextel Cloud. After clicking on Open Nextel Cloud, just scroll down. You are going to see Cloud Inbox. So whenever you come here, always ensure to check this place. If you have something, that's when you know if the task for that particular day is available. But as you can see, I have performed some of my own and it's just 7 that is left. So all I have to do is to open it for me to start reading. Understand? You can just you can just read the sponsored text. You see all these sponsored company or platforms send this message for you to read and opt in if you want. Understand? So for example, now let's start with Fair Money. Understand? This one is, it's an advert now, so these are sponsored ads, as you can see. So it says, need quick cash today, you have an instant loan up to 5,000, up to 50,000 naira ready on your phone, no paperwork, no collateral. You see, this is an advert from Fair Money. So if I want to earn from this particular tax or to earn from reading this particular stuffs, I will just click on claim offer. After clicking on claim offer, it's going to take me to the Fair Money website. So I don't want to actually collect any loan, so I just have to go back. Understand? Just go back, click back to, it will take you back to your dashboard. Now let's go back again. Let's go back. You see that if we check that Fair Money again, you see that it has gone. You see, I have already claimed it. So you have to do the same thing for all of them. For all these ones that has 11111, it means that you haven't performed or you haven't earned from them. All you have to do is just to make sure that you earn from all of them. Now let's earn from this one. Just click on it like this. After clicking on it, you can read this thing if you want, but for you to earn, make sure to click on claim offer and it's going to redirect you to that platform. Now go back again, click back and click back again. You see that one has been added to my this thing. So I will do the same thing in all. I always go back. I am doing the same thing in all. So let's do for the stake, claim offer, it redirects and I go back, claim. So I am going to claim all of them. Understand? You don't leave anyone. I'm going to claim all of them. It's remaining 2. I will just click on Best Buy again, claim offer, then I will press back 2 times. Let's go again, Cloud Inbox, remaining this one. I will just click on it again, like it's remaining just this one. I will click on it. After clicking, then I will tap on claim offer. So we have successfully earned from Nextel Cloud Message, like for reading sponsored message. Understand? So we've already earned from all these ones. Now let's check out how to earn on Nextel calls, like for picking sponsored calls. Let's go back to our dashboard, I mean to the menu. If you go to the menu like this, it's the same process. You click on Nextel Cloud. After clicking on Nextel Cloud, you come back, you take the same process again, click on Open Nextel Cloud. After that, you are going to see this right here. Note, you can add contact. Understand, you can just add available contact. You can, all the sponsored contacts, you can add them if you want to add just by clicking on them. Then okay, let's say if you want to add this contact right now, to for you to add the sponsored contact, this thing can only be add once. So if you add this once, the next time you want to end, you just come there to end. You are not going to add again. Understand, you just need to come and end. So let's say I want to add, I will just click on add. After clicking on add, let's say I want to add this one, I will click on it to add. Understand, so it has been added. So that's just how to add the sponsored contact. Right now, let's end from the call. You see, calls are waiting. Understand, all the sponsored calls are here. We just have to pick them by clicking on call. Just tap on it.
Oh, hello. Good day. I was actually waiting for your Nextel line to connect. We just received your contact details to reach out to you. I hope your day is going fine. I'm reaching out because we've got an exclusive bonus lined up on 1xbet for today's matches. We just boosted the accumulator odds on the big games and we threw in a 100% deposit match bonus for your next ticket. I am sending the direct link over to your screen as we speak. Once we hang up, just tap it and check it out.
Okay, now you can see. So after the call, you don't even need to talk. These are just sponsored calls. So there will be the only one talking. You just have to listen for you to understand what they said. So for in order for me to claim the earnings, I will just click on claim offer. Right, just click on claim offer, and it's going to take you to the particular platform or company that send the call. You see that I have earned from that one. Now let's go for example. Now let me go with Xness. I will just click on Xness.
Oh, you're awake. I was honestly wondering if you would pick up this early. I would have just waited till later, but my schedule is packed all through today, so thanks for picking up and giving me a few seconds of your time. I don't know if you have heard of Xness before. It's a trading platform people are using now to trade and get instant payouts straight to their accounts, no stories, and you trade with complete peace of mind. If you are a trader, you aspiring to become one, you can just check out their website or download the Xness app when you're free today. Alright. Talk soon.
So you see, you just have to wait for this thing to fold. So after it folds, you now claim your earnings. Understand, just click on claim and it's going to redirect you. Then you go back. Understand, so immediately after you do that, it's going to now I notice some people complain about their contact list being full. So this is what happens, right? If you add the contact, if you add up to 5 contacts, you cannot add contacts again, but you can always come to pick calls. So just forget about contact or contact list full. The calls, they are those people that you add are going to call you. You just have to pick the calls. That's what that matters. Now we have to repeat the same process on the remaining 3, right? So I don't really want this video to be very long. I'm going to do those ones offline. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. And also, if you have any questions that you want to ask about Nextel, make sure to drop it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you immediately. See you on the next video. Bye.